Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom Today. Let's be honest, most people either avoid hard conversations or bulldoze through them. They lie to keep the peace or explode in the name of honesty. The Stoic does neither. They speak truth, but they do it with grace. They don't hide and they don't harm. Today's episode is about learning to say what must be said without losing your calm, your clarity, or your character. Let's begin. Part 1. Why hard conversations are hard. Schools. Hard conversations threaten our comfort. We don't want to offend. We fear being misunderstood. We dread the backlash. We don't want to be rejected. So we avoid, procrastinate, pretend, complain behind backs. None of that is Stoic. Stoicism teaches, say what is true with kindness, say it when it needs to be said. Seneca wrote, truth is never harsh when it is spoken with love. Part 2, the Stoic Communication Code. Stoics use 3 core filters. 1. Is it true? Not speculation, not projection, not drama. But is it factually grounded? 2. Is it necessary? Will this add value, or am I venting? Is this the right moment, or am I reacting? 3. Is it kind? Truth doesn't have to sting. It can be offered in calm, with care, and in tone that preserves dignity. Marcus Aurelius wrote, kindness is invincible if it's genuine. Part 3. Stoic Techniques for Hard Talks. 1. Prepare. Don't rehearse your anger. Write it down. Clarify your goal. Know what matters. If you're too heated, wait. Stoics don't strike in fire. 2. Own your framing. 2. Start with I, not you. I felt hurt when that happened, not you were cruel. I need clarity, not your confusing. This disarms defense. Skoithelos whence. 3. Stay calm, especially when they don't. Their reaction isn't your cue to escalate. It's your cue to stay rooted. Epictetus said, it's not things that upset us, it's our judgment about them. If they explode, let your calm be the contrast. 4. Listen fully before responding. You don't listen to reload. You listen to understand. Even in disagreement, you can say, that makes sense from your view. Acknowledging isn't agreeing, it's respecting. 5. Exit with clarity, not control. You don't need the last word. You don't need them to agree. Say your truth. Say it well. Let go. Part 4. The Stoic State. During conflict. During tigonkro, the Stoic holds 3 mindsets. Compassion, I see your humanity. Composure, I own my tone. Clarity, I know my truth, I've done my part. This is not weakness, this is strength under emotional fire. Part 5. Stoic phrases for tough moments. This is uncomfortable to say, but it's important. I'm sharing this because I care. Let me clarify what I meant, not to defend, but to connect. I'm open to hearing your side. Let's stay respectful, even if we don't agree. Let your tone teach even more than your words. Conclusion. Speak truth. Stay stoic. Hard conversations don't have to be brutal. They can be bridges, if done with virtue. So next time you face one, ask, is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Then speak. Not to attack, not to perform, but to live aligned with what's real. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. Comment below. I choose grace in truth. And as always, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.